Today, we're making a Filipino classic, chicken adobo, cooked in an easy step-by-step tutorial in just under a minute. Let's go. Here's everything you need for authentic chicken adobo. Simple ingredients, big Filipino flavor. Let's start cooking. Marinate the chicken in soy sauce, garlic, and pepper. Even 10 minutes boosts the flavor. Sauté garlic and onions until fragrant. This is the heart of every Filipino kitchen. Add the chicken and brown it well. Lock in that savory base. Add soy sauce, a measured splash of vinegar, bay leaves, and peppercorns. No stirring after vinegar. Let it boil first. Let it simmer until the chicken is tender. This is where the magic happens. Reduce the sauce until rich and glossy. That's the signature adobo look. Give it a final toss to coat every piece. Perfect adobo, ready to serve.
Into the mouth. Nice.
Thank you for cooking with us today. This is Filipino chicken adobo, simple, authentic, and full of love. Until next time, salamat po and enjoy your meal.